my friends traders, this is Caroline Alizan, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Train Mentoring Program. It is Thursday, January 13th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. But before we get into our technical analysis, I would like to mention to you the 101 videos that we have on our website at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. They're full of value, they're educational videos, and they're free of charge. There will be a full value to you. So if you have the time, just go and watch them and you'll see what I'm trying to tell you here and what I'm so excited here about. So just do it at your own leisure and let me know what you think about them. And now let's get to the meat of it. So let's get to our daily technical analysis. So what we see here on the Qs today. Look at this. We're still in a pretty nice uptrend here, but getting closer and closer to the upper area of resistance. This thick black trend line that you see here, it's just a pretty major area of resistance, and we're getting closer and closer to it. And what else do we see here? We're still above the 8 moving average, which we've been talking about for quite a while, and it's the one here in green. And we're still above it, so we're still in a good shape. We're still going up. But check this out. We're forming a low doji here at resistance. It looks to me like a resistance area, but we could go a little bit higher to that upper area of resistance, this black trend line going up, and then we could pull back down a little bit. So watch it very carefully tomorrow. Watch this area of resistance right here very carefully tomorrow, and also look for and actually watch this little doji right here. We made a new high on the Qs today, which is at the 56.73 mark. So you need to watch that high tomorrow to see if we're slowing down, if we're ready to reverse, or we're just resting before the big move. So watch it very carefully tomorrow, and also look for a breakout one way or the other. We have this little doji at resistance, so if we decided to continue to the upside, we'll first of all have to break through the high of today, which is at the 56.73 mark, and then close above it. But be very careful because we're getting closer and closer to the upper area of resistance, which is a major area of resistance at this point in time. So watch these areas pretty closely tomorrow, and also pay really close attention to the low of today, which is at the 56.41 mark. Let's see. Yes, it's 56.41. So watch it really carefully to see if we're going to get a little bit of a pullback. We can get a little bit of a pullback to the downside. We can go down all the way down to that 8 moving average, which is at the 56.02 mark. So put a little trend line in here on your chart at the 56.02 mark and watch it right together with the low of today. So you have at least few little points, areas to watch tomorrow and then next week. So draw little trend lines, put little trend lines in here on your chart before tomorrow. So that'll just get you ready for the next day and you're just going to be all set. So watch them really carefully. So we could get a little bit of pullback down to that 8 moving average, or down all the way down to that next area of support right here, the 55.77 mark. So watch these areas of support and resistance real closely here tomorrow, and also look for confirmation with the MACD. So whatever you play, you also always look at the MACD to see if it's confirming that move. And right now, the MACD, what it's telling me, we're still going up. We're still heading higher. We're still pointing north on the MACD, which is indicating that we're still bullish. But be a little bit cautious in here at this point, and watch that little doji tomorrow, the high and low, and look what happens. So be real careful playing. And then what else can happen here? We could consolidate here for a while before we get a major move. So we could rest here before it happens. So different things, different scenarios that you have here, and you can just watch for. And always, as I said before, look for a confirmation with the MACD. So I hope it helps you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.